Let's braised sardine rice today. This recipe is easy and delicious. Save this recipe now so you can have this recipe anytime you like. Let's cook now. Rice, sardine fish, onion, button mushrooms. Wash button mushroom and sliced. Peeled onion and sliced it. Cubes carrot. Peeled cucumber and sliced, then set aside. Open sardine fish can and set aside. Stir-fry onion slices until translucent. Add carrot cubes. Button mushroom slices. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt. Stir fry until fragrant. Add rice and stir fry. Add sardine fish and sauce, then scramble the fish. One tablespoon tomato sauce. Stir fry evenly. Sprinkle black pepper powder. Pour enough water. Deco with sardine fish and start cooking rice. Sardine rice is cooked. Wow, smells so good! mixed well. Plate and ready to eat. Garnish with cucumber slices. Easy rice cooker recipe is the best. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient. Come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.